Good morning, everybody. I welcome you to this press conference. I am Joaquim D'Souza, attorney, Comunidad of Moira. Mr. President, Mr. Julio D'Souza, our past president and substitute president, Mr. Estili Desa, and all our Gaunkars, and all our brothers from Bamaldi, and our respected ex-MLA Glenn Tiklo. This property 15912 belongs to the Comunidad of Moira, having an area of 3,850 square meters. The access to this property of the Comunidad is on the main road, coming inside, Village Road. Now one party, Muse Homes LLP, having survey number 159/8B, has demolished our Durik, with a boundary wall from this side, and entered into the Comunidad land by way of 6 meters. On 3 occasions, we stopped him from putting those markers. But one fine evening at about 6:30, he put up this fence in presence of all our Gaunkars and all villagers. And we told him to stop. Immediately he called the police. And within 5 minutes the police came. And the police started asking us, show your document. Land belongs to the Comunidad, and the police is asking to show us the document. This is the irony. We told that, and who is the person representing that Muse Homes is that one Jonathan Pies from Mapsa. We told him, you replace all the Durik and call for demarcation. We are ready for that. So if the land belongs to you, take it, no issue. In spite of this, he has put this fencing encroaching 6 meters inside the Comunidad land. And he's threatening us, you'll do what you'll want. We made letters to the... Before that, we had made letters to the police outstation, Mr. Ajay Gaunkar, ASI, on 6th February. After 1 month, he came, measured this, no sign of him. Then we have made a letter to the Sarpanch on 31st, Sarpanch Village Panchayat Moira on 31st March. Copy endorsed to Deputy Collector, Deputy Town Planner, Mamladar, Administrator, and Deputy Superintendent of Police. No action. Then again on the 6th of April, we addressed a letter to Senior Town Planner Mapsa, Secretary Village Panchayat. No action. Yesterday we had a general body meeting. Gaunkar resolved, since the survey department has issued a notice for demarcation on the 10th, which was received, but the letter is dated 16th February and served to us on 10th April, fixing the demarcation for 15th April and only showing one way, one boundary. When demarcation is being held, it should be held for all four sides. And issued notice to Muse Homes LLP has applicant versus Comunidad of Moira and Village Panchayat. Village Panchayat does not own this property. And the inspector, Mr. Waingankar, is favoring this party. Similarly, before that, Mr. late Antu Pais, he's got a property, and his grandson, Antonio Etelbert Dias, has made application for demarcation, just a little further down, next to the water tank. He made application for demarcation. And who has made a party? Didn't make the Comunidad the party, because down there is a pathway called a pine. He wants to encroach that pine. So when we stop this, that also they have done. Then to this whole area belongs to the Comunidad. There may be no survey number, but it belongs to the Comunidad. Government is, water tank has been given to the government by the Comunidad. There may be no survey. So once we apprehended that once he has demolished this, he will demolish that property and come on the road. So we put a fencing of mesh. He removed the fencing and the poles. And he told the police, I will remove it. So this Jonathan Peace is taking law in his hand. Panchayat is not taking action. We approached the Sarpanch. Our president approached the Sarpanch along with the villagers on Friday. He's saying, no, this meeting I will see afterwards. And he has already started footing and you are putting concrete already. When you will take action? We demand that this construction to be stopped immediately, pending the demarcation.
Because they encroach in the Comunidad land.
6 meters they have come into the Comunidad land, which is visible. Here is the boundary. The boundary is there. Whole
That was
boundary.
extending till there, which they have knocked it off, almost 15 meters. That was still there. He has broken it, broken that old durig, what we say, and they have encroached in this area by 6 meters, and the length must be around 20 meters.
25.
So, 25. So how much it is? Just calculate. 6, 5 is 30.
And anybody who does the demarcation serves notice to all 4 boundary holders, not one side only. So the clear intention of the inspector of land survey should have told him, no, not one, serve to all 4. Why are you issuing notice to village panchayat? Village panchayat does not want anything here. And the sarpanch is favoring them.
They didn't even put a board, despite request of the licenses they have received. And now they have put one paper like a toilet paper there, which is flying off like
Only
a flag.
after our intervention that there is no board displayed here. Actually, the secretary is duty bound to check all that and guide the panchayat according to
And
the
they issued a
Panchayat Raj
stop-
Act.
They had given say
They mentioned
stop
it.
work order on 31st March,
2026.
and they have not taken any action. And Sarpanch is saying even if they construct, they will demolish. In the past, so many illegal constructions have been done, and they don't do anything. I think it's all under, they are bought out people.
And this village panchayat of Muera does not support the Komnidar. Actually, Komnidar and panchayat should work hand in hand for the betterment of the village.
Why do you think
Now this land is being utilized as a playground for all our Chari brothers who are staying here. We have never interrupted them. Though there may be some here, there some encroachment. We have never interrupted them. They can tell if they have. But this is not acceptable. 6 meters you come in.
In fact, it's very sad to hear all this. Now we have our attorney, Mr. Joachim D'Souza, our president, Mr. Julio, Mr. Desai is here, and Edwin D'Souza, all from the Kumle. There are 2 issues here. For the first issue, as Mr. Joachim has very well explained, first and foremost, they made letters to everybody, to TCP, to the administrator, to the Mamladar, to everybody, to the panchayat, but no action has been taken, and as they come, full swing is going on over here without any display. So we don't know whether he's got the permission, which appears to be has no permission. Secondly, over the years, all these amche gaon che burge, the Chariwada, they have been playing for last, I think, for almost about 35 years they have been playing. 60 years they have been playing. And even initially they had some understanding with the Kumle administrator that the ground would go. All that documentation they have many years back. They will look into further. But today the gentleman come by the name of Jonathan Pace, and under whose support, कौन support करके आपको क्या खबर ना? And all विषय माके खबर ना ली when the गांवचे लोग आले, तर तू मासो फोड़े सो मासे तू मासो कोर्ट तो तू असना उसे क्या न जाना? Then I spoke to Mr. Joachim, also Mr. Julio, asking what is the issue. The issue he told me, explained to me, this is the problem. He spoke to me last night. I said, okay, fair enough. We'll come. The media will be here and we'll explain to the media and we'll expose the whole thing. Finally, he said, and the Komnidar is very, very prominent people, very sincere people. I know them not done much before politics. My father's time, they don't know. And they are very sincere people. Now, something to do, say, they should be a situation where they have to come with their documents, no? And proof. Other when the police are called, see, police actually law and order. Police have no right to come and check, and the police have no right. If they come for law and order, who has the right is actually the TCP has the right to stop, and also the panchayat, the local panchayat. They have all the power to stop the construction and get all the permission, which they have not done. Secondly, the TCP also should be acting very well. So I request Honorable Minister Mr. Vishwaji Rani to तुमके माध्यम से शायद आज तुरंत and stop corporation. And whatever is there, since I just heard all this, I will go deep into this. I will ask also my department legal. They have a lawyer also, and Foreign will take it immediately to its logical end. But this has to stop, and work cannot continue. This is totally illegal, and to be very honest, no, a lot of things are happening like this for the last 4.5 years in this constituency. This is one of the things. There are lined out things which are happening. I'm going to pick up Korina, Ponia, Ocean, Kam, Dong, Shekna. पहिले पण कोमनिता ताका ते क्वेश्चन आहेत ना त्या स्टॉप बोर्ड दिलेला पंचायत आहेत ना TCP आहेत ना administrator has to act on this immediately. There is no action. So why? What is the reason behind this? There is something behind this, no?
And immediately calls the police within 5 minutes.
And the police, when they call, they come immediately. It seems now what his statement he has made. and asking for documents. What documents? They should have documents from these gentlemen. They are the owners. Communities are the owners. They have all the documents here. Yet nothing, and see how the work is going on. You please take a photo. Now you're doing footings over here. This has to be stopped right now. So anyway, we'll take it logically and ensure that work doesn't continue. And my all support is there for the villagers and for the whole constituency. I always have been doing that. And it's important that this cannot continue, and we will have to approach the concern. I'll approach the concerned authorities and ensure that this work is stopped. Yes.
माझे नाव संतोष भट्टाचारी वॉर्ड मेंबर आहे गावचो तशें आतां हांव इतलो आयकत आसा पंचायत लायसन दिता पंचायत आडिना कोण सांगता पंचायत आडिना आमी 3 जाण मेंबर आहा आमी ऑपोजिशन आहा आमी 3 जाण मेंबर आहा हांव एक लोव ठाकूर आनी मोहन वळेकर आमी तांकां सांगता पंचायतीन लायसन दिले म्हण दुसऱ्या प्रॉपर्टीन तेंच्यांनी वचोंक जायना जर तर गेले आणि लोकांनी ते अप्रोच केले पंचायतीक की हे खरेंच भायर वयता म्हणून जाल्यार सरपंचान येवन ते स्टॉप करूंक जाय टील परत सर्वे किंवा डिमार्केशन जाय सर हो सरपंच आहा तो कांयच करिना कित्याक करिना तो आपले पॅनल आहा पळय ते सपोर्टाचेर सगळें काम चालू दवरलां आमचे ऑपोजिशनाचे कांयच आयकना
सरपंच कोण
सरपंच सागर नायक हे काम फाल्यां बंद जाता पूण तो करिना कित्याक तें म्हाका खबर ना तो म्हणटा आमी मेजॉरिटीन ताका लायसन दिला काम चालू आसून आमी ताका सांगता बाबा तो भायर येयला आनी तुका सांगपाक जायना तो हांगा सरलो हांगाय तो खेळ्ळा एका ग्रावंडार
तुमकां कित्याक दिसता कित्याक आयकना कित्याक तुमी आतां पंच मेंबर न्हू
ताका दिसता आपली खुर्ची पडात म्हणून दिसता
कित्या खातीर अशें दिसता ते कित्या खातीर अशें दिसता ताका म्हणटा
कोणाक लागून
आम्ही गेले बरं
असं कित्या खातीर अशें दिसता म्हणटा तो
फ्रायडे गेले
कित्या खातीर म्हटलें तुमी
आतां पळय आमी इतलें सांगून तो आयकना तर तेज्या फाटसून कोणाक तरी ताका दबाव आसतलो तेजेर न्ही तेजेर कोणा तरी दबाव आसतलो बेश्टो तो करिना
कोणाचो दबाव
ते आतां सोदून काडूंक जाय तुमी काडा सोदून ताकाच विचारा हे तूं आतां रॉंग जाता दिसता तरी आसून तूं कित्याक करिना कोणाक तुका दबाव आहा हे विचार ना तुमी ताका
पंचायतीन 24 वरां तुमी आसतात आनी तुमी
24 वरां
असं आयकून घ्या पंचायतीन तुमी आसता सरपंच आसता तुमच्या फुड्यान तुमी दोगूय एकामेका वांगडा आसता
24 वरां न्हू 50 वरां आहा न्ही जाल्यार थंय चलता मेजॉरिटी
तुमकां कितें दिसता कोणाचो दबाव आसतलो तेजेर
ते मेजॉरिटीन आमचे ऑप्शन भायर मारता आमी कितें करपाचें
मेंबर पण तुमकां रिस्पेक्ट ना म्हणटा तुम्ही
रिस्पेक्ट ना रिस्पेक्ट दिना आमकां आनी सेक्रेटरी आहा पळय ताका पयलीं चेंज करूंक जाय ते फक्त मेजॉरिटीच जाणा एक्चुअली ते सेक्रेटरी न्हू ताका ते सेक्रेटरीचो पोस्ट ताका मातसो टेम्पररी दिल्लो पळय ते हांगाच 4 वर्सां थंयच घट जाल्ले आहा ते कित्याक ते घट जाल्ले कोणाच्या आशिर्वादान घट जाल्ले आहा ते तुमी सोदा
तुमी आतां फुडें फॉलोअप कितें
ते
घेतले
अशे ग्राम सेवक ताका अशी ऑथॉरिटी ना ही लायसन दिवपाची
तुमी फॉलोअप कितें घेतले हेजेर
आमी पळय आमी कंप्लेनी दिल्यो आमच्यो कंप्लेंट थंय कोणशार पडलेल्यो आहा PCPन आसा मामलेदारान आहा MLA कडेन आसा म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंट डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान आसा पण ते विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटान आहा कितल्यो कंप्लेनी दिल्यो
MLA च्या कानार खबर आहे का
कानार आहा ताका कोणाचो आशिर्वाद आहा ते म्हाका खबर ना
एमएलए
कितें
आमदार कितें म्हणटा तुमचो
MLA अजून ताका आमकां काय रिस्पॉन्स दिवंक ना कंप्लेनी व्हरोन दिले आमी ताका
ओके फेस टू फेस उलोवप बीन अशें काय जावंक ना मिटींग जावंक ना तुमची
ताका चेंज करा सारको बरो म्हणजे जो त्या पोस्टार आसलेलो सेक्रेटरी हाड आमकां वय आमकां कितें अर्दे कुटके जाणा आसलो सेक्रेटरी आमकां दिता ते फक्त मेजॉरिटी जाणा आनी काय ना इतलेंच कितें जालें मेजॉरिटीन पास करता
Illegal is illegal. Where the majority or no majority, they should stop this construction in the panchayat. TCP should intervene immediately. Admin should get involved. They made letters. So, I mean, there is no response. You can, and the MLA has also been informed. They are very well. Mr. Jokim had told MLA to Padle Sani ताका letters दिले सगळे बरोबर वो म्हणटा पळय तो कांय करिना ताका मदर सांगान कितें चल्लां ताका कांयच पडलेलें ना पूण भायलें पडलां ताका भायलें सगळें पूण मदर सांगान कितें चल्लां न्हू सगळो दुस्फोट आनी सगळें डिस्ट्रक्शन जालें ताका इज ब्लायंड टू दीस सो दीस इज त्या खातीर म्हाका लोकांनी आयज हांगा आपयला आनी इज व्हेरी सॅड
सर मेन
अशें केन्ना पळोवंक ना करूंक ना कोदल्या ती फूल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी
We are elected as a body, as a custodians to guard the Comunidad land. We have no personal interest in this. And this is my 4th term. First I was elected as a president, then the following 3 terms I was attorney, then following 3 terms special attorney, and they reappointed me as an attorney.
सर फर्स्ट
Safeguard the Comunidad land.
फर्स्ट डिमार्केशन केलें पळय तेंच्यांनी म्हणटा तुमी सो ती करूंक ना दे हॅव सर्व द नोटीस
Now on Friday they have served, on the 10th.
फ्रॉम
They
देन
fixed scale on 15th. Tata.
And that to one party they serve.
ओके
There's all the 4 people.
Which party it is now?
They've served, as already mentioned,
Comunidad.
only the
Everybody is
Comunidad and
Okay.
Panchayat.
Panchayat is not.
Panchayat is no say in the matter here, no?
सर कितें दुसरी गोष्ट कितें आसा हे जे लायसन दिता पळय तेन्ना आमचे एजंडा येता एजेंडाचेर सर मेन लायसनाचे घालीत ना सर तेजे ते अदर सब्जेक्टान पास करता सर
हय
जर आमी
कितें
केन्ना समज एबसेंट आहा कितें त्या टायमार पास करून उडयता
तुम्ही ऑब्जेक्शन घालून
ऑब्जेक्शन घातले ते भायर उडयता
in writing
रायटिंग दिवन मेके जाले आमी दिले मेके रायटिंग हेजे पयलीं कितल्योच दिले आमी
तुम्ही डायरेक्टर ऑफ पंचायतीन कितें वता
दिली
हेचेर
व्हरोन. काय खंयचेच डिपार्टमेंट एका डिपार्टमेंटान आमचेर अजून काय तेंचेर एक्शन घेवंक ना तुमकां हांव सगळें हांवें थंय नोट केल्ले कॉपी जाल्यार हांव तुमकां दाखयता हे आयच्यो न्हू ह्या 3 वर्सांचे दाखयता
ऑपोजिशन
मागीर मागीर आमी वेले वाजयले आतां पंचायतीन चड वचना हांव जाल्यार
No, this
थंय
matter
वचून
should be-
रिस्पेक्ट
this
ना
matter-
कांयच जायना
this matter should be
लोकांचें
taken-
काम जायना ते वचून तो फायदो ना न्ही
Agree. This matter should be taken up with the Honorable Minister. Mohan Godino is very efficient, very dynamic, and he will immediately take action. And if he will definitely take action, so we'll move to the Minister and tell him as far as because DOP come under him. That is the first thing. And Komlidar also will move to Babush and tell Babush Musara that this is a situation happening. This is total illegal. That's the reason I'm here. I tried to understand last time when he spoke to me. I said, come, let's go and take up this matter. This thing cannot happen, and I'm not with it, and it cannot just happen, whoever might be. So, konacho pressure also kono, it cannot happen. Need comes, then we'll move the topmost thing of us, or the Honorable Chief Minister, and ensure that we resolve this matter as soon as possible.
येस सर
Yeah.
केल्लें आमी स्टील नाव सद्या मातशें स्टॉप करूं न्ही सर्वे जावं न्ही डिमार्केशन जावं न्ही जर ते म्हणटा हांगा जाल्यार आमी आनी कितें उलयतले डिमार्केशन समज हो पॉयंट दाखयता जाल्यार आमी उलोवचें ना न्ही पूण आमकां खबर आहा हो पॉयंट म्हणून तेजो
हे बेदुरी काम आहे, बेदुरी
सद्या
काम
मातशें
आहे.
टेम्पररी स्टॉप करपाक कांयच प्रॉब्लेम ना लायसन दिलें म्हणून ते आमच्यान केन्नाय रिवोकूय करूं येता आमच्यान स्टॉप करूं येता जर ताका रिजन सारकें आसा जाल्यार आनी ह्या एका रिजन सारकें आहा की स्टॉप करूंक जाय
लायसन दिवच्या पयलीं हांगासर येयलेले पळोवपाक बीन
कोण
तुमची बॉडी
कोण येता सेक्रेटरी केन्ना रिस्पेक्ट सुद्दां करिना सर तुमचीच बॉडी आहा पंचायतीन
ए, तुमची आमची म्हणणं का? ना, 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 ना,
बरं सॉरी सर सॉरी
तुमची आमची लोकांची पंचायत बीजेपीची न्हू हिचे पार्टीची न्हू ती पार्टी पार्टी ऑफ द पीपल लोकांची पार्टी
हांव कितें सांगता ते सर
मातशें
जर
ते
लायसन
जावन दी
दिता
म्हाका.
पळय लायसन दिवचे पयलीं सर सेक्रेटरीन किंवा वॉर्ड मेंबराक घेवन विजीट करूंक जाय सायडी खंयची सायड काय म्हणून एक दीस केले जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी सांगची म्हाका नाल्यार तुमी विचारा तांकां
हांगा आमदारान येवन तुरंत ताणें सांगलें तेन्ना ते एक्शन घेवंक जालें नाल्यार
ओसी दिता
मातशें
दिता
इंट्रस्ट
तें
घेवंक
नव्हता
जालें न्हू.
तेंचे इन्स्पेक्शन करिना इन्स्पेक्शन सुद्दां आमी मेंबरांनी समज बरें आतां म्हाज्या वार्डान ही बिल्डींग कंप्लीट जाले काय एका ऑक्युपन्सी येतली तेन्ना हांवें समज सांगलें ऑक्युपन्सी म्हणजे इन्स्पेक्शन इश्यू आहा म्हणून जाल्यार आमचें ऑब्जेक्शन ते भायर मारता
आतां
हे कितें
आतां तुमी म्हटलं तुमी ऑपोजिशन आसा सो पंचायत सध्या कोणाची चलता
आतां हांवें सांगली बीजेपी म्हणल्यार सर म्हणटा बीजेपी न्हू आतां हांव कितें म्हणून
अरे बीजेपी सी पंचायत नॉट इलेक्टेड ऑन पार्टी
हय जाणा सर पूण ते सगळे सांगतना काय सांगता न्हू सर
ते सांगत मागीर सांगता जीपेक नाड मरे हाव कॅन मेक द स्टेटमेंट
आतां ते सांगता ते सर तुका सांगल्यार हांव
मागीर
कितें
तू बीजेपीचो कार्यकर्तो
हांव
न्हू
हाजें करता
हो तू एक काँग्रेसाचो कार्यकर्तो ना 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 तू कोणाचो कार्यकर्तो सांग मरे म्हाका आतां तू
हांव
म्हणटा
सद्या
तू
लोकांचो कार्यकर्तो मागीर जाता इतलें हांव काम करता.
एक्झॅक्टली ह्या लोकांची पंचायत ती बीजेपी बीजेपी एनकरेज करी ना आतां हो आमदार कोणा न्हू तो
We don't do politics.
Yeah, we don't.
Sir.
I come here. Yeah, no, yeah.
We want
Sir.
justice for the community.
Justice for the community.
कितें फॉलोअप आतां फुडें
No, the Sarpanch immediately stop the.
Yes, to stop. No, the Sarpanch to stop.
Immediately stop.
TCP and Sarpanch should stop.
डिसिप्लिन सरपंच
Yeah, this both Sarpanch. Yeah, both. And this thing also revenue Komlidar.
Only there.
एक दोन
Allow to all.
सांगा सर
येस नाव
Bodies.
सांगा सर
हांव लव ठाकूर पंच मेंबर वॉर्ड नंबर 2 सर जे हांगा कन्स्ट्रक्शन चलता पळय ताका आमचे सगळे चारी भाव सगळे पंचायतीन येयल्ले त्या दिसा आनी सरपंचाकूय सांगलें हेंच्यांनी जो पर्यंत डिमार्केशन जायना तो पर्यंत ते स्टॉप कर म्हणून तेजेर आजून पासून सरपंचान कांय तेजेर स्टेप घेवंक ना कळ्ळें न्ही तेणी खरें म्हटल्यार आतां काडूंक जाय आसलें कित्याक हे गांवचो हें आसा इशू तो इशू सॉल्व जायसर आनी ते स्टॉप आतांच्या आतां काडपाक जाय जर तेजे कडेन जायना जाल्यार खंय तरी दुसऱ्या मेंबरान आमकां सपोर्ट करचो आमी काडटा बंद करता फाल्यां
मेजॉरिटीनूच तो सेक्रेटरी मेजॉरिटी
आमकां एक member मेळटा
आमकां एक मेंबर कोणून दिया आमी ताका स्टॉप
आमी करता आज जाल्यार आयज
फाल्यां मिटींग आहा फाल्यां मिटींग आहा 15 तारखेर
हय 15 तारीख मिटींग
15 तारखेर मिटींग स्टॉप
आमी करूंक शकता
एक मेंबर आमकां दिया फक्त त्याच पॉयंटार उलोवपाक इन्स्पेक्शन सॉरी स्टॉप नोटीस काडची म्हणटा
मोर्चा बी व्हरतले
कितें म्हणलें
बंद उडयना जाल्यार
हे बंद करून जाय न्हू कितें
24 वरां भितर हें बंद करून ना कितें आहा पळय तें
सो डेडलायन दिता तुमी
डेडलायन 24 वरां दिवचीच पडलें
नाल्यार कितें करतले
पंचायतीन व्हरतलें मोर्चा
येस
पयलीं एकदां आनी एक हांगा इल्लीगल आसलें थंयच कंप्लेंट केल्ली पूण तेंच्यांनी काय स्टॉप करूंक जाल्लें न्हू डायरेक्टली इन्स्पेक्शनाक घातलें एका म्हयन्यान तेंच्यांनी हें काडलें इन्स्पेक्शन हां पण हे आमकां सपोर्ट करिनात न्हू आनी ही सुद्दां आमकां एनओसी दिल्ली आहा पयलीं अबावट म्हाका दिसता बिफोर 2000 आमी सगळें हें केल्लें पूण ती फायल खंय गायब जालें काय खबर ना आमी आतां इतकीं वर्सां जालीं हांगासर खेळटात भुरगीं आतां पळय हो सुद्दां पळय हो सुद्दां खेळा हांगा पळय आं हो सुद्दां सांगतलो तुका हांगा पयलीं सारकें हें आसलें खण आसलें आमी इल्ली इल्ली माती घालून हें लेवल केला नाल्यार गोवोरमेंटान आमकां हें करून कितें गार्डन हें करून दिवपाचें न्हू प्लेग्रावंड धाकटो प्लेग्रावंड करून दिवपाचो न्हू आमचो इश्यू तोच आहा कित्याक ही कमलाचें हें न्हू आनी कोण येतलो आनी व्हडलें कितें बांदूंक हांगासर हें पळय ना तो आयज कितें केलें आं
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर